AgTech Tech Tip: cleaning up contour overlaps. On occasion, whether you're using a PDF or CAD file, there will be times when the contour lines intersect or overlap another data line, causing an irregularity in the surface model. Now in this example, we can see the contour lines intersect the pad line, causing an issue with the pad being flat. Now to resolve this, we can offset the pad line and conform the line to the data lines. We can then trim the lines and remove the segment overlapping the pad. First, select the pad line and click the Offset Line button. Make sure the offset is going to the outside of the pad. In this example, we will offset the line 1/10 of a foot at 0 slope. Click View to check the direction. Then click Apply to add the offset line. And click Close. Select the offset line and click the A button to convert the line to annotation. And select the annotation line and select the utility menu and select Conform Selected to Data Lines. The line will add elevations where it intersects the data lines. We must now delete the overlap. Select the original pad line and select View, Hide. Select the elevated offset line and select the Trim button. Check Remove Lines Inside and click OK, and the overlaps will be deleted. Select View Show All to display the original pad line. You can see the 3D view now looks correct. Alternatively, you may run the offset line on one side of the pad. In the Point Review list, hold the left click button and select only the range of points required to correct the overlap. Then offset the line as before, and convert the offset line to annotation and conform to data lines. Now to trim the overlaps, hide the original pad line as before. Select the elevated offset line and select the Trim Line button. In this case, the overlapping lines must be deleted manually, so hold the Shift key to select multiple lines. Right-click and select Delete Selected, or press the Delete key on the keyboard. You may also break the line at the last contour on each end of the line, so select the point and press Ctrl X on the keyboard, then delete the segment. Select View Show All to display the original pad line. Again, the 3D view should now look correct.